90% of bakeries in Nigeria fail in 1 year. Today, we are going to explore it step by step. So stick to the end of this video. Without much ado, let's go straight to the video. And number one is underpricing. Some bakeries, they start the business with emotions without sitting down to calculate the cost of production per loaf, every detail. And so they just price, fix the cost of bread or the cost of loaf, the cost of the product by assumption. They just assume that this will be okay. Everybody is selling at 1,000, so let's also give at 1,000. Knowing fully well that your recipe and the recipe of your competitor, they are not the same. And so there is always this emotional attachment that new beginners want to please their customers or defeat their competitors automatically, which does not work. Third reason, some bakery business owners treat the business like hobby. They just do it because they love baking, and everything they do is just for fun without looking at the details. Definitely, you cannot run a business like that. Once you set up a business and you ignore the details, you treat the business as hobby, whether the baker is doing it right or the distributors, those that in package room, whether they are doing it well or not, you don't care. Beloved, you will definitely run at loss because the details are not considered. And so you need to learn how to consider every detail. Treat it as business. Be committed to it. Now, another area is that so many bakery owners treat the business like a source of food. Everything that comes in, you sell. You don't calculate the cost of production. You are feeding from there. You want to feed your family and your friends from that business. Definitely, the business will bankrupt. Finally, is lack of knowledge or adequate equipment. These are two things that can also affect your business profitability. Let's look at lack of knowledge. Some persons, because you have the resources, because you have the finance, the capital, you just buy equipment, no guide on which equipment you should buy, what type of equipment, where should you buy. You just buy equipment and then start the business without proper guidance. Definitely, you will make a lot of mistakes that will ruin the business. So it's very, very important for you to seek knowledge. Have a guide, go for training, buy good recipes, invite people to come and train and supervise, go for seminars. That way you will be equipped on how to run the bakery business and succeed. But it's unfortunate that most bakery owners don't do this. All they do is buy the equipment, start production, and then after 1 year, you see that problem will accumulate and customers will start to withdraw. Bakers are stealing the product. The recipe is not consistent. Quality product is not forthcoming. Customers are complaining, and the business is just scattered. Let's look at equipment. The type of equipment you use in your bakery can either help you to build your bakery successfully, or it will break down or destroy your product. For instance, most people go for only locally fabricated equipment, which is not a good one. So if you want to start a bakery, look for guidance. Look for a mentor that will guide you on the type of equipment. Now, most times you should know, and you take it as a warning. If you go for locally fabricated equipment, you will definitely regret at the long run. Or, you will be surprised that the recipe somebody gave you that is actually good may be turning out to be bad because the oven is not good, or the mixer is not good, the milling machine is not doing it right, and everything will end up frustrating your effort. And so you should go for the right equipment so that your bakery business will function beautifully. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell. See you in our next video. God bless you.